Welcome to 112 Avonlea Place. This charming condo in the Brown Mill Villas neighborhood combines comfort and convenience. Spanning approximately 1,380 square feet, this all one-level condo features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, a laundry room, and a spacious open living area, along with a private 12 by 15 patio. Upon entering, you'll be greeted by soaring vaulted ceilings and hardwood flooring lead to a cozy gas fireplace. Arched transoms invite natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The dining area flows effortlessly into the kitchen, which boasts quartz countertops, modern appliances, new hardware, a pantry, and a deep SILGRANITE sink, all highlighted by a breakfast bar. The bedrooms are generously sized, offering ample natural light. The main suite includes a bathroom with a walk-in shower, while the guest bathroom features a shower tub combo with a sliding glass door. Enjoy the convenience of nearby amenities like the clubhouse, fitness room, pool, and outdoor grilling area, along with planned activities for residents. Brown's Mill Villas are close to restaurants, shopping, golf courses, parks, hiking, biking, and medical centers. The HOA covers water, sewer, trash, lawn care, and exterior maintenance, including seasonal gutter and siding cleaning. This condo offers a perfect balance of tranquility and accessibility, so don't